Hello and welcome to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I am Maithili and these are the headlines. Goa celebrates its 60th Liberation Day on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in state for the celebrations. Even as Goa celebrates its 60th Liberation Day, monuments and statues built by the government to honor the freedom fighters' struggle are in shabby condition at Vasco. Goa observes Datta Jayanti across the state with religious fervour. And now for the news in detail. Goa celebrates its 60th Liberation Day on Sunday. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in the state for the celebrations.
The Chief Minister, Navy and the Secretary Information gave details of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tomorrow's program.
60व्या मुक्तीच्या समारोप कार्यक्रमाक आमच्या मदी देशाचे माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी या कार्यक्रमाक येतात. तांचो थारायल्लो कार्यक्रम हो श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी 2.5 वरांचेर सुरू जावपाचो आसा. माझी समेस्त गोंयकार भाव भयणीक नमळायेची विनंती. आमी 2.5 वरांचेर जरी कार्यक्रम श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जीतलो सुरू जावपाचो आसलो जाल्यार सुद्दां माननीय पंतप्रधान 1.5 वरांचेर हे श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जीच्या सायडीक आशिल्ल्या स्टेडियमाचेर पावतात. थंयच्यान ते आझाद मैदानाचेर वयतले. आझाद मैदानाच्या वयल्यान ते मिरामार ह्या बिचाचेर सेल परेड आनी एअर शो ह्या कार्यक्रमात 20 मिनटांचो कार्यक्रम आसा आनी ताज्या उपरांत ते 2.5 वरांचेर परत एकदा श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जीत पावतले.
Different types of boats, including the boats manufactured in Goa. We'll have boats from the Navy, Goa Shipyard Limited, from police, from tourism, from industry, and also showcase tourism and sports activities of Goa towards promoting this culture. What I request you all, it's going to be a thrilling event. I would request you to urge the citizens to come in great numbers and enjoy the afternoon at Miramar Beach. We have about 40 different types of boats which will participate. As Admiral already brought about 19 sailboats. There will be power boats from Navy, Coast Guard, Goa Shipyard Limited, from Tourism Department. Trishti Marines will also be conducting a search and rescue demo for the drowning personnel there. All in all, I can assure you, it will be a thrilling afternoon.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panjim.
With UK reporting over 11,000 Omicron cases, countries around the world are bracing themselves for what seems to an third wave of the virus, this time fueled by the Omicron variant. With India reporting over 117 Omicron cases as of today, the Union Health Ministry has warned that the country could see 14 lakh cases daily if the spread is not contained. Here's more on this.
With UK facing the brunt of the Omicron variant, nations around the world are moving towards curfews and stricter norms. While international tourism had seen some slight signs of hope with revival after vaccination drives around the world picked up pace, things now seem to be going downhill. However, countries have now started administering booster shots, with UK having administered over half its adult population with booster shots. India has also seen its share of Omicron cases gradually rise. Experts say that COVID might hit its next peak in the country by February, albeit in a slightly less dangerous way. What is alarming is that fully vaccinated individuals without any travel history have tested positive for the Omicron variant, which indicates the variant is spreading rapidly. However, COVID cases in the country have been fairly stable, with about 7,000 cases being reported daily, while the UK has been reporting over 90,000 cases during the same period. The Union Health Ministry has warned that India may see 14 lakh daily COVID-19 cases if the spread of Omicron is not contained at the start. The ministry has also urged the citizens to continue wearing masks and maintain social distancing regardless of being fully vaccinated. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Goa is celebrating its 60th Liberation Day tomorrow. However, the monuments and statues built by the government to honor the freedom fighters' struggle are in shabby condition at Vasco. Hutatma Chowk and statue of father of Goan nationalism, Dr. Tristão de Bragança Cunha, are lying in a sorry state. And it looks like the authorities are not bothered. Watch.
गोय हे 60 वर्सां मुक्तीचे मनयतात आणि गोय हे 60 वर्सांचे जेन्ना मनयतात तेन्ना आमी पळयतात की हांगा टीबी कुन्हा चौक आहा आणि टीबी कुन्हा चौकाची आमी जे गेटीस एंटर करतात ती गेटूच मोडलेली आहा आणि ही चौकान आमी पळयतात की सगळे कडेन दुरवस्था जाल्ली आहा. हांगा कचरो सगळे कडेन पडलेलो आसा. हांगा रातचे गाडी तशेंच हांगा जे सोरोप्यून हांगा बेबदे हांगा न्हिदतात आणि हे हांगा पळयत जाल्यार हे जे फावंटन हांगा बसयल्ले जे आयकूंक येता की एक 10-15 वर्सां पयलीं बसयल्ले पूण ते सद्या मेंटेन केल्ले ना. तशेंच आमी पळोवंक शकता की हांगा जो टीबी कुन्हा जो स्टॅच्यू आहा हेच्या खंय तरी स्टॅच्यू केन्ना धुल्लो कोण जाणा. आमी म्हणटा की आनी लोकूय मागतात की हे जो टीबी कुन्हा चौक आहा जो इतकी वर्सां हांगा स्टॅच्यू उबो केल्लो आसा ते स्टॅच्यू खंय तरी पेंटींग करपाक जाय ते खंय तरी मेंटेन करपाक जाय. आमकां दिसून येता की हार केन्ना तरी घातलेलो तो केन्ना काडूंक ना. लोक म्हणतात की हो फक्त स्टॅच्यू फक्त जेन्ना सण आसता जावं कितें तरी ओकेजन आसता तेन्नाच ताका फक्त धुतात. त्याच्या भायर केन्नाच ताका उदीक लायिल्लें दिसून येना. हे फावंटन आहा ताका उदीक ना तेचे फावंटनान टायल्स मोडलेला. हो एकूच स्टॅच्यू न्हू. आमी पळयत जाल्यार हांगा जोशी चौक आहा जावं बाकी बांदोडकराचो जो स्टॅच्यू आहा हे सगळे तेच वायट परिस्थितीन आहा. तेन्ना हांगाचे लोक आनी तशेंच आमी मागता की हे जे स्टॅच्यू आहा जावं जे लिडर्सांचे स्टॅच्यू आहा जावं हुतात्मा चौक आहा हे चौक सगळे मेंटेन करपाक जाय जेणे करून जे आमचे लिडर्स आणि जे आमी लिबरेशन जे दीस मनयतात स्वातंत्र्याचे हे खंय तरी सारके तरेन मनोवपाचे. लोक म्हणटात की 200 करोड दिवन गव्हर्मेंटान सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान हांगा गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक दिला की हे मेंटेन करपाक आनी गोंयची 60 वर्सांची स्वातंत्र्याची मनोवपा खातीर. पूण पळोवपाक गेल्यार हांगा ते दिसून येना. तेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटान हेचेर लक्ष दिवचें.
त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे मेंटेनन्स हे मुरगांव नगरपालिकेन करप आसता. पण दुर्दैव असे आणि की त्यांचो जी स्मृती दिन बी असता स्मृती दिन बी त्याच्या आदले दिस येवन हे रिपेर करतात आणि ताका ते हे करतात पुसता बी हे चुकीचें आहा. आणि 2009 टीबी कुन्हा डॉक्टर टीबी कुन्हा कुन्हाक फावंटन घातलेले आणि फावंटन ते रोखडे मोडले. त्यांना चड वगत म्हण 2-3 महिने कितें ते अस्तित्वान उरले मागीर ते मोडले. आणि हांगासर इतकी जी दुर्वेवस्था जाल्ली आहा. रातचे हांगासर सगळे भिकारी बी बसतात आणि सगळी बुरशेपणा करून उडयतात. निदान सरकारान हे आमच्या महान नेत्यांक आमचे स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक यांचे तरी मेंटेनन्स करचे.
टीबी कुन्हा चौकाची तूं हालत पळय कितें जालें ती. एक पायप एक उदक पसून ना हितून भितर. हिंगा सुणी माजरां येवन आगावंक बसता. सो दीस इज अ सॅड स्टोरी. येदे व्हडले लिडराचो तुमी स्टॅच्यू घालता नाल्यार घालपाचो न्हू. बेस्ट ब्युटिफिकेशन करपाक जाय आसलें बिकॉज दीस इज लायक एन इन्सल्ट टू हिम. आमी आयज ह्या काळान वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग 60 years ऑफ लिबरेशन. वी हॅव टू सेलिब्रेट दीस लिडर्स. कितें तरी मेंटेनन्स करून आमी कितें बरें करपाक जाय आसलें.
गोवा क्रिकेट हिरू महाले वास्कोच्यान.
We'll take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Water still an issue with many parts of Goa, despite government assurances and efforts. In one such case, this time in Chikalim, residents are getting muddy water in their taps. They allege that they have been complaining about this regularly, but no one is listening. Here's more.
For about 3 months now, several houses located behind Sub-District Hospital at Chikali have been receiving muddy water. Several complaints have been raised by the residents from the area saying that the groundwater reservoir supplying water to these residents has not been cleaned for a very long time. As a result, they are getting muddy water. Locals have demanded that PWD authorities resolve their issues on priority.
ही आता टाकी बांधलेल्या त्यांच्यानी फक्त एकच फावटी ताका तरी 21 वर्सां तरी टाकयेक जाली ते आता म्हटल्यार ताका फक्त एकच फावटी तेंच्यांनी लीप केल्या ती टाकी. आणि आता ह्या टाकीचे उदीक एकदम गदो येता. पयलीं आमकां रातचे उदक येताले तेही आता बंद जाले. आता ह्याच टाकयेचे आमकां उदीक दितात पण तेही तितके बरें येयना. उदीक सगळे उदीक बरें नासता. खदूळ बिदूळ सगळें आसता. आणि दुसरी टाकी बांधल्यार बरें जातलें. आणि लायट गेल्यार हे उदीकूय मेळना आमकां. एक वरभर सोडटात पण ते लाईट गेल्यार तेही मेळना आमकां. ती दुसरी टाकी बांदली पयलीं असली ती आता ना. आता ही टाकी आता ह्या टाकयेचेर आमकां उदीक दितात ते मातशें निवळ आसूंक जाय म्हणून ती टाकी लीक करून दी आमकां. ही झाडां बिडां वाडल्या आनी वन भरल्यारूय ती लीक जाता टाकी. तर त्या दुसरी टाकी तरी बांदपाची आनी लायटीच्या टाकून बरें जातलें ते. दुसरी टाकी जर बांदीत जाल्यार कित्याक ही टाकी पंप मारून आमकां उदीक दिता न्हू. दुसरी जर उंच टाकी बांदी जाल्यार लायट नसल्यारूय त्या टाकीचें उदक मेळूंक शकता न्हू आमकां. मेळटा. ताका लागून मातशी निवळ करूंक जाय माझी टाकी. आता सध्या आमकां ह्या टाकीचें उदीक दिता पण ते निवळ जावंक जाय.
तेमी ही टँक ही क्लीन करून दिवपा जाय, कित्याक ह्या टाकयांक कमीत कमी हाफ टँक पण तेतून रेब जाला आसतलो आनी किती जंतू जाला हें खबर ना. हितून हे लोकांक तर आज हेल्थाचें पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार आज लोकांचे किडनी सुद्दां प्रॉब्लेम जावंक शकता म्हाका दिसता हेल्थांतल्यान. हे लोकांची गरजेची वस्त ही. तुमी 16,000 उदक फ्री दिलें म्हणचे परस ही इल्ली टाकीच लोकांक क्लीन करून दिला हाचो व्हडलो उपकार आसतलो. ही टाकी हाफूच भरता, हितून लीक जाता, ती लीक जाल्ल्या कारणान ती टाकी फूल जावंक शकना. आनी हिंगा एक पयली हायटीचेर टाकी आसली, ती टाकी तेमी हें केला मोडला. आतां तेमी ताका परत तीच टाकी तेमी हायटीन बांदून दिवची अशें कित्याक म्हाका दिसता की हें पंप ना जाल्यार हें उदक लोकांक लायट मारल्यारूच हें पंपाचें उदक येता. आनी लायट ना तेन्ना तें उदक आमकां हायटी वयलें टँक वाल ओपन केलें जाल्यार आमचे सगळे घरघरांनी आमकां उदक पावतलें.
हे उदकाचें जे प्रमाण आहा न्हू ते एकदां उदीक न्हू तांबड्या गुज येता आनी कमीत प्रेशन येता. एकदां म्हणटा तो उदीक टांकयेक ना, एकदां म्हणटा टांकयेक उदीक येता. आनी ह्या पायपांचो जे रातचें आमकां उदीक येतालें न्हू तें बंद केलें. आतां थोडे थोडे येता, केन्ना केन्ना येता केन्ना बंद जाता. तें उदीक जाय आनी आमकां दिसाचें उदीक जाय. आमकां उदकाक लागून त्रास जाता आनी आमकां नीव टाकी जाय.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
It is finally official, as at long last, Goa Forward has got the backing of the hand. The Congress High Command officially announced that the alliance was on in the presence of the local Congress leaders and Goa Forward Supremo Vijay Sardesai today.
The alliance has been formed with the aim to dethrone corrupt government from the power, Rao said, while Goa Forward's Vijay Sardesai said, this is the team Goa which he had been talking about for so long. Opposition leader Digambar Kamath, Girish Chodankar and others were present.
Today, I am very happy to announce that the Indian National Congress and Goa Forward Party have entered into an alliance for the forthcoming Goa Assembly elections. After Sri Vijay Sardesai met our leader Sri Rahul Gandhi ji in Delhi and expressed his support to the Congress party and to Sri Rahul Gandhi and said that he wants to work with us to defeat the communal corrupt Bharatiya Janata Party government in Goa and to bring about a change in Goa.
Goans won't face Salazar during the new liberation of Goa. Keep silent and vote. Time has come to liberate Goa from corrupt and rapist rulers, Vijay exhorted.
We have said in the past that on the eve of Goa's liberation day, 60th liberation day, we will give you an alliance that will re-liberate Goa from these elected autocracies. We have a government in Goa and a party, ruling party in Goa, which is in the politics of acquisitions and takeovers, which is poisoning democracy. And there is a need to start a new liberation movement to re-liberate Goa from this corrupt, communal, Bhrashtachari, Balatkari Bharatiya Janata Party. This has always been my view. I have been talking about Team Goa. I think this is that Team Goa. And we will re-liberate Goa, give Goans justice. We are going to usher in change. We will see to it that people who are jumping the fence, the entire public of Goa is against this government. But elected representatives are surprisingly joining this unpopular party. Now why is this? This is only happening because of the dadagiri of the center. That there is a government at the center which can just take you at gunpoint, which does acquisitions, which does takeovers. Now we will defeat these forces. We want to re-liberate Goa. एक नवो मुक्ती संग्राम आम्ही गोंयच्या खातीर सुरवात करता. ह्या मुक्ती संग्रामात गोंयकारांक सालाजाराक फेस करचो पडना, भितर पडून मार खावचो पडना, ओग्गी रावन मत मारपाचें
आनी वी विल लिबरेट गोवा. व्हडलें कांय करपाची गरज ना, करपाचें कितें आहा तें आमी करतले आनी त्याचे खातीर आमी फेस करपाक तयार आहाय सरकाराक.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We'll take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Datta Jayanti was observed across Goa with religious fervour. The palanquin procession of Lord Datta was carried out across at Arambol, the tradition of which dates back 45 years.
Janardhan Swami had built this mutt on his own and carried out religious rituals hand in hand with preaching to the people. The palanquin procession of Lord Datta is held every year from this mutt, which takes stops at few temples in Arambol and end back at Mutt. Watch.
हा जो उत्सव आहे तो आमचे महाराज जनार्दन महाराज यांच्यानी चालू केलेला आहे. तो जवळजवळ 40-45 वर्ष झाली आहे. पालखी दत्त महाराजचं मठ स्वतः आबाने तयार केला आहे. म्हणजे आमचे जनार्दन स्वामी यांच्यानी स्वतःच्या खर्चाने मठ उभारला आणि ते जगत उद्धाराचं काम म्हणजे प्रवचन वगैरे आणि हे पारायणाचं काम पहिलीपासून चालू केलं यांच्यानी. आणि ही पालखी आमची दत्त महाराजांचा मठ इथून 3:30 वाजता चालू केली वार्षिक पद्धती म्हणून. ती आबाने आम्हाला पद्धत घालून दिली. हरमल गावामध्ये म्हणजे देऊळवाडा दोन्ही देऊळ आहे आमचे. भूमिकात देऊळ, दुसरं रवणाथ देऊळ आणि अशी हरमल तिस्तावरून कलावती मातेचं मंदिर आहे त्याला प्रदर्शन घालून आता ती मठामध्ये पोचणार आहे.
Datta Jayanti was also celebrated at the Vittal Rakumai temple at Sikeri Mayam. The temple here was built by Pundalik Hoble Baba and devotees are taking his legacy forward now.
हे मार्गशीर्ष पौर्णिमा आणि मार्गशीर्ष महिना अत्यंत पवित्र आहे. कोणतेही संकट आलं तर मार्गशीर्ष महिन्यामध्ये जो दत्तमाला मंत्र आहे तो सगळ्यांनी म्हटला पाहिजे. आणि हा साधासुद्धा माणसाने माणगा नावाचं एक गाव आहे त्या माणगा गाव वासवंत सरस्वती याने तो दत्तमाला मंत्र निर्माण केला आहे. कारण आणि ते संकट सगळं महाराष्ट्रभर संकट होतं, भारतभर संकट होतं. ते सगळं संकट एका दत्तमाला मंत्राने निरसन झालं आणि ते एवढं कौतुक ह्याच महिन्यात झालं पाहिजे. आणि ह्या महिन्याचं विशेष महत्त्व यासाठी आहे की त्यावेळीपासून तो वासुदेवानंद सरस्वती नावाच्या एका मोठ्या थोर संतांनी हा दत्त जयंती साजरा केला त्यापासून झाला आहे.
Also watch some glimpses of Datta Jayanti at Sakli between 10 to 11 in the night only on Goa 365. Sandeep Kamulkar and Sandeep Pilgaonkar for Goa 365 from Arambol and Mayam.
Now for some sports news. Former cricketer Ashish Nehra was prime attraction during the MGP Cricket Trophy tourney held at 2M Perne. He flipped the coin for the toss and bowled the first ball to kick off the tournament. Watch.
Tennis ball cricket tournament, and on behalf of our dynamic leader Sri Jeet Arolkar, I would take a pleasure to welcome one and all present here. It is a great opportunity to welcome our chief guest Sri Ashish Nehra. We have just heard about his achievements. His achievements are scaling the mountain that high. He has represented India in several tournaments, World Cup tournaments, and it's a pleasure to welcome him here on behalf of everybody present here. It's a great opportunity for the young, budding, upcoming cricketers here from Mandri constituency and entire Petni Taluka.
Now for the weather. The Met Department has predicted another 5 days of dry weather starting from December 18, adding that there are no upcoming weather warnings. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 31 degrees centigrade and 20 degrees centigrade respectively.
As the weather cools down, minimum temperatures are expected to fall by another 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over the next 3 to 4 days. Skies will remain partly cloudy for another 2 days. Haze and shallow fog are also likely at isolated places for another 5 days starting December 18th. No warnings for fishermen have been issued at present. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV. Download our app, which is available on Android and iOS, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.